Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel your Whop membership. If you're ready to leave a membership on Whop, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the membership from your account and use the available option to leave it. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main area where you can access your account, browse your activity, and see the communities or memberships connected to your profile. Once the page loads, give yourself a moment to get oriented if it's your first time using the layout. Next, look to the left side navigation panel. In this section, you should be able to find the member group or community you want to cancel. The exact name may vary depending on what you joined, so focus on locating the correct membership from the list shown on the left. This sidebar is where Whop keeps your join spaces easy to access. Once you've found the membership you want to cancel, click on it to open its page. This will take you into that specific group or membership area where the controls for your access are available. Make sure you've opened the correct one before moving on, especially if you're part of more than one community. After the page opens, move your mouse to the right side of the screen and hover over the Join button. This is an important step because the Leave option may only appear after you place your cursor over that button. If you don't see anything right away, pause briefly and keep your cursor steady over it. When the menu appears, click Leave. This action starts the process of removing yourself from that membership. Depending on the platform's settings, you may see a confirmation prompt before the cancellation is finalized, so read any on-screen message carefully and confirm if needed. That's all it takes to cancel your Whop membership. As a helpful tip, after leaving, you may want to check that the membership no longer appears in your joined list, just to confirm the change went through successfully. If the page doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser. And that's the complete process for canceling your Whop membership. Follow each step carefully and you should be able to complete it in just a minute or two.